Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and thank you for tuning in once again as we talk about my favorite topic, insurance. Now this video is pertaining to changes that have happened between last year and this year and what you need to look out for in terms of your insurance policy. Now today's video is talking about contents insurance. Things that may have changed from last year to this year, or last year, December particularly, to this year. You could have potentially moved houses. And by moving houses, all this means is that the risk will change. And thus, if your risk address has changed, you need to let your insurance company know so that we can know what the new premium is. Another thing that may have changed is that, listen, we all got bonuses, not all. I wish. But we all got bonuses. It was December. It was lovely. You got a new washing machine, a new fridge, etc. All this means is that your sum insured is increasing, and thus you need to let your insurance company know of this so that they can add it on and make sure that you're adequately insured. Now remember, with contents cover, we're not insuring little bits and pieces of things. We're insuring all the contents in that house. So if you did add a washing machine and a double door fridge, etc., there's an additional, say, 12,000 up until 80,000 in some cases. This means you need to tell your insurer, listen, increase my sum insured by this much because I've added on these items on. So you're not going to add the items separately, but just to make note of it and increase your sum insured so that you're not underinsured. Something else that may have changed from last year to this year is your security may be beefed up. Listen, we were very concerned. It's December, so you may have beefed up on your burglar bars, may have gotten an alarm system, gotten ADT or other security companies involved. Those things also affect your premium in a positive manner, because if you've beefed up your security, your insurer needs to know, because now your risk is slightly a little bit better because you're taking other preventative measures. So if your security has changed from last year to this year, definitely give your insurer a call, because it will affect your premium in a positive way. It has to. And if it doesn't, then you must please comment below, because then we need to chat about your insurance company. Security will play a role. And so, yeah, you need to change that or look at that going forward. If, by the way, you have beefed up your security, not just that you're making it up, because that's not going to be covered. Something else that may have changed, we're moving forward, we're doing things. You may have started a business during December. So maybe you've decided to take photos of weddings or parties, or maybe you wanted to take videos, etc. Those items in the house are now goods used for business. And, it's not a good example with cameras, but let's say I've now gotten a printer in the house because I want to print my invoices, etc. The goods that you use for business need to have their separate cover with certain insurers. So if there is a business that you're running, you need to speak about it with your insurer to find the right cover that you need for that particular business, because others can be insured within your personal lines policy. Others are too risky, and then they will say you need to cover it under your commercial lines insurance. But for this video particularly, we're focusing on your personal lines. So if you started something new, you want to figure out, should I insure it? Should I tell my insurer? Phone them up and just say, listen guys, this is what I started. They will let you know what cover you need if anything additional is needed. So those are just basic things in terms of your contents cover that you need to have a look at in 2024. Before you start planning your year any further, sort that out in terms of your home contents, and I think you've got nothing else to stress about. For more, obviously, please follow and subscribe to this channel, as well as like the video. And also just note, this is advice. This is basic general advice for insurance, and you need to speak to your insurer with your particular insurance policy or cover that you have. But these are just some great tips. I hope you enjoyed them. I'll see you in the next video.